Bay Windows West Jordan offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their home's curb appeal and functionality. With a variety of bay windows styles West Jordan, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that suit their personal taste and home architecture. Custom Bay Windows West Jordan provide a tailored solution for those looking to add a personal touch to their living spaces. Energy-efficient Bay Windows West Jordan are an excellent choice for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bay Windows experts West Jordan can guide you through the selection process to ensure you choose the best options for your needs. Affordable Bay Windows West Jordan are available for homeowners on a budget who still want to enjoy the benefits of high-quality windows. Bay Windows contractors West Jordan offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality or craftsmanship. With Bay Windows Consultation West Jordan, you can explore various Bay Windows options West Jordan to find the perfect fit for your home. Bay Windows Replacement West Jordan is a popular service for those looking to upgrade their existing windows. Whether you're dealing with outdated or damaged windows, Bay Windows Replacement West Jordan can provide a fresh look and improved functionality. Bay Windows Repair. West Jordan is also available for minor issues that don't require a full replacement. Bay Windows Design, West Jordan focuses on creating aesthetically pleasing and functional window solutions. With Bay Windows materials West Jordan, you can choose from a range of durable and stylish options that complement your home's interior and exterior. Bay Windows features West Jordan include enhanced insulation, noise reduction, and increased natural light. Bay Windows Maintenance. West Jordan is essential for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular upkeep ensures that your Bay Windows solutions West Jordan continue to function optimally and look their best. Bay Windows specialists West Jordan can provide expert advice and services to keep your windows in top condition. Bay Windows West Jordan upgrades offer homeowners the chance to incorporate the latest Bay Windows trends West Jordan into their homes. From innovative designs to cutting-edge materials, Bay Windows Innovation West Jordan ensures that your windows are both stylish and functional. Bay Windows enhancements West Jordan can include features like built-in blinds or smart glass technology. Bay Windows Aesthetics. West Jordan are a key consideration for homeowners looking to make a statement with their window choices. The right Bay Windows West Jordan styles. West Jordan can transform the look of your home, creating a welcoming and elegant atmosphere. Bay Windows options West Jordan provide endless possibilities for customization and personalization. Bay Windows benefits. West Jordan extend beyond aesthetics, offering increased property value and improved energy efficiency. With Bay Windows quality West Jordan, you can trust that your investment will stand the test of time. Bay Windows craftsmanship. West Jordan guarantees that each installation is completed with precision and attention to detail.